name's Chelsea Jackal. I'm a registered and licensed dietitian and nutritionist and a certified personal trainer. And today I'm coming to you from my kitchen because we're going to make a super easy meal together that will help you stay on track if you're traveling this summer. The meal that we'll make today is something you can make ahead before you leave for your trip, leave in the freezer, and then reheat when you're home. So the next time you're traveling or you have a busy week ahead, whip up a freezer meal or two, and I promise it'll be so much easier to stay on track.